Hey guys, at BV Matson here. Big night. The wheels are back with the tires, and she's all trued up. Take a look. This is a huge turning point. Look at how beautiful this is. We did it. It's so great, man. Brakes are all installed. There she is. Here's the rear. Look at these tires. Love the tread. Look at that. Awesome. Can you believe that these photos coming up are from the same wheels? I mean, look at that, man. These things are night and day. Respoked, new bearings, polish the hell out of them. I'll link to the videos and show you how to do it. Don't give up on your old parts, ladies and gentlemen. I think that's the theme. We're going to have a roller real soon, but here's kind of the next kerfuffle. We're going into wiring, guys. Got everything I need to make sure that we can wire this bike up and make it happen. All right. That's kind of, I don't know if it's the weekend or whatever, but we're going to make a roller out of this 1972 CL350. Just had to share in kind of the, I don't know, just the excitement of having these wheels done. That's so huge. If you guys enjoy the videos, please subscribe. Also, thumbs up the videos you enjoy. It always helps. Leave a comment. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know what I'm doing right. I really appreciate it, guys. Electrical coming up.